Assalamualaikum, I am Samia Jahin, metric norm A21EC4056. I'm doing this presentation for our game project Mighty Hunter. So for this game, my class is the environment class. I made this class thinking of making some walls as obstacles for the hunter. After this phase, my progress is that I have made wall using my class. So in this class, we have in the private attributes left, top, right, bottom, and color, and we have this constructor, and I have these assessor methods and these setter methods, and then I also have a function draw. So I go to the CPP file. In the CPP file, I have included environment.hpp, and then I have made a used constructor environment, and for that constructor, I have used left equal to underscore left like that. So these are the getter methods, and these are the setter methods. And for the function draw, I have used set color, set fill style, solid fill color, and then rectangle function of the WinDGIM library. So when I'll go to the main function, in the main function, you can see for the environment, I have used these coordinates for the left, top, right, and bottom. So these are the coordinates for left, top, right, and bottom, and this is the color blue, and this is wall long 2, and the coordinates are different for this wall. And I have used this collision method. I've used the collision method made by Fatima Rasi Muhammad so that the hunter does not collide or get through the walls. Due to some problems, our wall1.draw and wall2.draw have been commented out, because if we didn't comment this out, then the hunter and the monsters collision logic was not applicable for some reason. That's why we decided that we should comment out the walls so that those logics are not disturbed. So this if I uncomment this, and if I now run this program, so we'll have to get the hunter out. These are the walls I'm talking about. This one and this one. So here you see. So the hunter cannot actually like get through the wall. And this is also the same as for the second wall. Now this the bottom part of the wall's collision logic is not working right now. I'll look into it and try to fix this, but the upper part of the wall and collision with the hunter is working. I'll close this one. My plan for this wall is that we create obstacles in the game board, so that the hunter, in our game, the hunter has to reach to a reward from one point of the game board to another point. So my plan for the wall is that it creates obstacles for the hunter, so that it is not so easy to just get past the monsters and get to the reward. So the main function of this class is to just create many obstacles for the hunter.
Name is Fathan Rasi Muhammad. My metric number is 81EC4045. So I will explain about the monster class in our game. So we use encapsulation. We respect the encapsulation and data hiding by using uh, private and public. So the attribute is included in the private. So we use left, top, right, bottom color. This is for the rectangle, because we use image for the monster. So the image is basically the rectangle. So this is left, top, right, bottom is the coordinate of the rectangle, and the speed is for the movement of the rectangle when the motion is moved. And then this is the construction. This is the construction, and then this is the get method. From the get left to get speed is the accessor. So this method just access the attributes, not change the attribute. And then in here, void set left until void set speed is the mutator, or the method change the value in the attribute by the parameter. And then there is a method of draw and undraw, to draw the monster and undraw the monster image. And then this is move horizontal and move vertical. So there is two type of the movement of monster, just horizontal and vertical. And then this is the implementation. in the file implementation. So we include the header file or monster.hpp. So this is the constructor, this is the parameter, and then in the definition of this construction is to assign the the value uh, the value in parameter is assigned into the real attributes in the class. So, and then this is the definition of the get method um, or function definition or get method. So we just return the the attributes when it is needed. So from this, we respect about the concept of the encapsulation because we want to use the attribute by using the method first. And then this is the mutator. So we change the value, the attribute by the parameter and assign it into the real attributes. And then this is the draw. So we use method read image file from the graphics.h. So we call the, the name file in here monster.jpg, and then this is the left of rectangle, top rectangle, right of rectangle, and bottom of rectangle. And then in here for the undraw, we just insert the black image because we don't know about how to really delete and erase the image in C++. So this is the move horizontal. So firstly we undraw and then we just change the coordinate of left and the right, which is in the x coordinate, and then move by the speed. It is it depends on the speed. So this is the condition. If the get right is more than get max width, so it will be bounce back. And then same things. If the get left, the left of the the monster is less or equal to this coordinate, so it will be bounce back to another side. So and then this is the draw, and then the move vertical is there is a same under and draw, but the difference is we use top and bottom. We change the top and the bottom value uh, or the y coordinate. So we change the coordinate by the speed, and the condition is not too different, but the difference is this is the get max height, and then according to the coordinate. Okay. And then the main function, so in here we create the object monster1 and monster2 with the specification in the construction according to construction, and then firstly we draw it, and then and then secondly we initiate the movement first, whether the monster1 or monster2 moved by horizontal or vertical. This is the condition for the collision. So this is the condition for the coordinate. If I explain all of this, it will be waste of time. So I just explain this is the condition for the collision. Okay, now I will run the code. The monster. So the monster will bounce back according to the coordinate. If this is the collision, let me show you. So if it touch, so it will be collish. Like that.
Hello, my name is Faiza Putri and I will explain my part about health bar. So, function of health bar in this game is actually the same like game usually. In short, when the hunter hit the monster and do a collision, and then the value of the health bar will decrease until the health bar value equal to 0, then the game over. Okay, I will start with the HPP file. Here we assign the class name health bar, and there is private and public inside it, and then we assign this information to the private in left, top, right, bottom, and color for the health bar. And then we get all this value left, top, etc. And also there we assign max health and min health. So when the game started, the health bar will start the maximum with the maximum health or max health. And then at some point, if the player hit the monster repeatedly, and then the health bar will decrease its value until it has no value again, which is reach its minimum health or min health, and at that moment the game over. And also for this one, bull hunter signal is to connect the health bar with the hunter. So it can detect if the hunter do a collision with the monster, then it will give a signal to the health bar to decrease its value. And also, it's all assigned cons since it will not change any data in the calling object. And then we set this value here, set color, set right, set max health, set min health, and there's change health here. So like I explained before, the value from health bar will change if the hunter do a collision, and it will change the value or decrease the value. And also this is draw and undraw. So every collision happen, it will undraw and draw the health bar with the new value after it already decreased. And then we move to hotbar CPP. So here we define the member of the function, left, top, right, bottom, color, and then we get all the value here and return it. And here we set right, this one. So the health bar position in, so the health bar position, I will illustrate it, is in the top corner in the right in here. Okay, so the value will decrease from right to left. And this is the logic from the health bar. Like I explained before, so in certain point, it will undo the health bar and value will decrease from right to left and draw the health bar that already decreased the value with the newest value. And this is the color for the health bar. It's solid fill with black color inside it, and here is sorry, in and there is line outside the rectangle, it color red. And we move to main CPP file. This is my part. I'll go straight to my part. So in short, this is the condition every collision happen. So the method will be called here. So there is two monsters in this game who move horizontal and who move vertical. And this all is condition. If the hunter hit one or both monster, then collision happen. Then it will give a signal to the health bar from the hunter that collision happened. And the health bar will undraw and the value will decrease from right to left and draw it back with the new value of the health bar. And it will happen again and again if the hunter do the collision. I think that's all I can explain about health bar. Hopefully it's all clear. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Masad Siddiq from section 01, and my metric number is A21 EC4047. So what I'm going to explain here about the hunter from our games, it is Mike the Hunter. Okay, so we use HPP for the header files. We are import from here. Firstly, this is our data file from the private left, top, right, bottom, and color. And this is the constructor. Get left, get top, get right, get bottom, get color to make the hunter to able move. And then this is the mutator or the function. Yeah, to make the hunter to the calling function, so the hunter are able to move to the left, to the top, to the right, to the bottom, and to show the color of the hunter. And then this is to draw, move horizontal, move vertical, and then the collision. Why we use collision? Because to make the hunter to not walk through the other object, like a wall, bomb, fruits, and monster. And we jump to the hunter.cpp. This is a calling function. The constructor. This is to get left, get top, get right, get bottom, get color, and then the set left, set top, and return to not return, sorry. Yeah, same to make the hunter are able to move to the certain position or the certain location. By this, for hunter collision up, when the hunter collide or hit the other object in the bottom of the hunter, so the hunter will be has an effect to move 20 pixels upper, and then collision down to make the effect like move 20 pixels to down, or yeah, to the down the hunter if the other object is in the top of the hunter, and collision left when the stem condition with the other collision one. And then we jump to the main CPP. This is the main code of our game, the Mighty Hunter. This is for the monster. This one for the hunter. This the hunter has a hotbar, so when it's collide or hit the monster, the hotbar will be decreased. Or when the hunter hit the bomb, the hotbar will be decreased. And on the other hand, when the hunter just hit the fruits like banana or else, that will increase the hotbar. And this is about the position. And then we move to this one. This code to make the hunter or the user, the player, to able move the hunter using the arrow key. Yeah, if we use the upper key, it will be to up or vertically, and if we use the arrow right and left, it will move the hunter horizontally. For the demo or the explanation more about the way hunter will be visualized will be explained in the other video. All right. Thank you.